Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide gallery photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy. And here's go to more security settings. And here click on secure folder and click on continue and click on continue, and it will be creating secure folder. Just wait. You can create secure folder for each original folder in your phone. For example, if you are storing photos and videos in local gallery, that local gallery path will be created in secure folder too. And if you move any photos from the gallery, that will be stored in secure folder, and only those moved items will be in the secure folder. Okay, other items will be in the original folder called gallery. Okay, for gallery photos we will be going to internal storage, DCM and camera. This is gallery folder. Okay, the same location will be created in secure folder too, and that can be secured with lock with what pattern you set for secure folder. Okay, so you can create a separate pattern or pin or password for secure folder. Without those password, no one can access it, but it will work only if you lock your phone. Okay, if you put main lock, then only secure folder will also be locked. Okay, so keep in mind that between that time secure folder may not locked, and anyone can see it if they have your phone in their hand with your main lock pattern. Okay, and here click on OK. Secure folder is created. Now you go to set your pin or pattern or password. I would like to set a pin here. I am setting a pin 1995 and click on continue. Again I type this same pin to verify 1995 and click on OK, and it's creating. Now it is asking you to turn on reset with Samsung account. If you would like to recover your secure pin in case you forget it, you have to turn on with this Samsung account. You have to sign in into Samsung account, otherwise you can cancel it. As of now I cancel it, and I click on next. Secure folder is created. See here, the same location is created here too. Gallery location is created here. And to hide photos from gallery, what you have to do is go to Samsung, My Files, Internal Storage, DCIM, Camera, and here some photos are available. So I select some photos here, and I would like to hide these photos. So what I have to do is just click on this more button here and click on move to secure folder. So those selected photos have been moved to the secure folder, and from those folder only you can access those items. In the main folder they will not be available. Okay, so to see the moved items, go to the secure folder. Go to secure folder in your phone. This is secure folder. If you click on secure folder, it will ask security pin. Okay, so here I give my security pin and click on done, and yes, now only I can access, and I click on gallery and photos are available here. Okay, what I have selected, moved, and they are showing here. Okay, in this way you can easily hide photos as well as videos or any file that can be moved from one location to another location. Okay, but the same location have been modified in the secure folder, and same path will be used for the secure folder too. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.